Hello, welcome to our tutorial on the social icon element. Are you struggling with adding social elements to your website? With the social icon element of Dotcom, you can embed links of your social media accounts into your website. Navigate to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the social icon element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. It contains three sections: element, container column, and container row. 1. Social icon element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has three tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Here, you can add your social media accounts. For instance, click Add Icon. A new field is added. Click the edit icon. Here, you can upload the logo of the platform. Along with this, you can add its name. Now, enter your social media account's link. Finally, customize the background color and color of the icon in the normal and hover modes. Likewise, you can enter any number of social media accounts onto your website. Now, customize the alignment of the element. Switch to the Style tab. Here, you can alter the size, space, radius, and inner padding of your element for different screen types: desktop, tablet, and mobile. The final tab in this section is the Advanced tab. It has four subcomponents: Advanced, Background, Border, and Visibility. First is the Advanced section. Here, you can configure the margin, padding, and width of the social icon for different screen types. Now, go to the Background section. Here, you can configure the background values of the social icon element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the element on different screen types. 2. Container column. Click its edit icon. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust multiple column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has two modes, Normal and Hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has Normal and Hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general customizations like deleting, duplicating, or rearranging the container. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on how to use the social icon element on Dotcom. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.